Technology and society of the future. The 21st century is the century of sophisticated technology and science. Technology and science began to make progress in the 17th century. Since then, technology and science have been making progress by leaps and bounds. New inventions and discoveries in the numerous fields have brought a revolution in the life of human beings. The benefits got from science and its application are enormous, and probably it is not possible to enumerate these. However, it is beyond doubt that science has helped a great deal in the developing self-confidence, self-esteem, and courage in human beings. Now, owing to scientific and technological advances, man is not at the mercy of his environment, but he has the capability to control and modify it to suit his needs and requirements. Previously, people believed in superstition and in certain supernatural process for the control to their future. People also used to believe in magic and fortune telling by adopting scientific methods. Human beings are now more confident to handle their environmental condition. Human beings no more attribute the weather condition or disaster to supernatural bad or evil forces. They think independently, logically, and scientifically. Before the discovery and development of modern medicines, scientific equipments, and instruments of surgery, thousands of people used to die of disease. The Great Plague, which started in 1542 AD, was responsible for 95 million deaths in 5000 were. The Black Death Plague of 14th century wiped out one-third of the whole population of the world. The pandemic of 1898 in 1918 caused 10 million deaths in India. The influenza pandemic of 1957 killed 8,000 people in the USA only. Millions of people used to die over the battlefields is a result of septic wounds because no antibiotic and antiseptic were available.